Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, October 11, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we do have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 6.25 points to 21.52 3/4 per contract. Futures coming under a little bit of pressure. You could see here in the overnight session, and really we're right at the lows for the most part. It's not a big decline, but we are seeing markets under a little bit of pressure ahead of the opening bell. Now today, unofficially or officially, kicks off the first day of earnings season. Alcoa, as you know, reports earnings generally first, and is what everybody uses as the benchmark for earnings season. And again, you can see the stock trading down a little bit. You could read the news. I don't think there's much to do with Alcoa at this point in time. We'll see how it plays out. They are going to split up into two different companies. There's a whole bunch of different things, but you can see the stock initially sold off. Now it's trading right at $30.40. I believe yesterday it closed at $31.50. So it is definitely under a little bit of pressure here, but nothing all that much. We do have alumina in the news, ILMN. You can check it out for yourself. Stock is just getting absolutely annihilated. Closed at $184.85, now trading at $134.90. There's really not much I see here. There's going to be some support around the 123 level if it does get down there. But other than that, I just don't see a lot here for alumina. Be careful with this name. There's a broken stock. Anytime a stock slides to this degree, there's definitely some problems there. Looks like St. Jude Medical, STJ, coming under some pressure as well. This morning, stock sold off on a muddy waters report. Looks like it has recovered, though, quite a bit from last time I looked at it. We were around here. Now it's all the way back up to $80. Stock closed at $81.28. Looks like muddy waters came out with a report, and stock really sold off sharply, but it has recovered somewhat. So we'll see how it plays out. I don't see a lot of upside for this name, though, so just be careful there. There's a ton of resistance around 82 should it rally back some more. But either way, we'll see how this plays out this morning. There could be some nice day trades there. Let's take a look at Rent-A-Center. RCII is the ticker symbol. I believe this is earnings. Stock closed at $12.88, now trading at $9.01. All in all, when I look at this name, I have to think there's some issues here. I don't really have a good level for us on the charts. This is below the big psychological $10 level, so whenever I see that, I have to be a little bit wary of this name. We'll see how this plays out once the opening bell rings. There's not much I would do at Rent-A-Center at this point in time. Apple is catching a bid today on the fact that Samsung has come out and said they are no longer going to sell the 7 Note and the Galaxy 7 Note. So again, Apple getting a little bit of a bid today. It's closed at $116.05, trading at $117.87. The stock has moved up recently on the problems with Samsung, who is their direct competitor. But nonetheless, I really don't see a whole lot of upside here for Apple. So we'll see how that plays out. But nonetheless, stock is higher this morning. Let's take a look at TWLO. They reported earnings today. Stock right now is trading at $53.71, closed at $52.02. Yesterday they had a big sell-off. The stock is recovering somewhat. I do think the stock has a fair amount of support down here around that 51.25 level. That was the level I gave to the members yesterday in this stock. So again, good little pop-up there for TWLO today. Let's take a look at American Airlines. And what you're going to see here is it looks like they had September traffic report. Stock is catching a pretty good bid, trading at $39.72. It closed at $38.89. Now, my level for American is going to be around $40.75. Stock gets there, there should be a wall of resistance. So again, there shouldn't be a ton of upside here for American at this stage of the game, but give it about another dollar of upside. I think $40.70, $40.75. That is going to be excellent resistance for American. In sympathy, we're going to have other airlines reporting their traffic as well. You see UAL is trading higher, Delta Airlines getting a little bit of a bid higher, and then you have Southwest Airlines trading higher as well. So all the airlines are moving higher, and they're all going to report, I believe, their September traffic today. So again, we'll see how that plays out, but that should help the transport sector even though you do have the futures trading lower this morning. All right, let's turn our attention to the gold market. Gold right now is trading lower by 3.5 points to $1,257 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that is trading at 119.62, so down ticking from 120.16 on the GLD close yesterday. Let's take a look at crude oil, which is really just down 15 cents. Crude oil right now trading at $51.21. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, what you're going to notice here is that that is trading up around $11.66. Was trading this morning around $11.55, so it has come off its worst levels. And oil remains, pretty strong right now on the jawboning that OPEC is going to get Russia to join in with them and have a production cut. Who knows if this stuff is ever going to be true, but there's a lot of jawboning to keep the price of energy higher at this point in time. So with that being said, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish everybody a great trading session. And again, come over, take the 7-day free trial to the Intraday Stock Chat. You can trade right alongside of us. Had another good day yesterday, and we're going to look to keep that going really right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody have a great session. We'll see you on the charts.